Example number 3, designing a reverse curve. Your assignment is to design a reverse curve that will be used as a bypass connector for temporary construction. The restrictions: there must be 20-foot distance between the edge of pavement of the main line and the edge of pavement of the temporary roadway bypass. All lane widths on all the roads are 12 feet. Assume a 500-foot tangent distance between the PC and the PT of the curve. The PC station is at 20 plus 0, 0. We have a lot of information. Let's go ahead and create a diagram that puts all the numbers together. So when you draw the reverse curve, you have a PC, a PRC, and a PT. The distance P is the distance between the center line of one road to the center line of the other road where you're going to tie your reverse curve. So we know that each lane is 12 feet, and we also know that there must be a distance of 20 feet between edge of pavement to edge of pavement. So we really have all the information to calculate the distance B. The distance D was given to us as an assumption of 500 feet. The distance D will be a number or a distance that the designer must come up with using engineering judgment. Using the equations provided in section 2 of the class, we can find the delta and the R, which we will need to calculate the length of the curve. So P equals 20 plus 12 plus 12, which is 44 feet. Knowing P and knowing D, we can go ahead and calculate the delta. Delta ends up being 10.058 degrees. Now let's find the radius, which we will need to calculate the length of curve. The radius becomes 1,431.47 feet. Now that we have a delta and an R, we can calculate the length of curve. Once you plug in all the values into the equation, we get a length of the first curve for 251.29 feet. The entire length of the reverse curve is length 1 plus length 2. In reality, the length of the first curve is the same length as the second curve. So L1 equals L2. Let's find the stationing for all the main points. The PRC station is the PC station plus the first length of curve. Once you plug in all the values in, you get a PRC station of 22 plus 51.29. Let's calculate the PT. The PT station then is 25 plus 02.58.